Welcome to 8585 Cypress Ridge Court on the exclusive Markham Woods Corridor. This home design style is characterized by a monochromatic palette, clean lines, minimalist natural materials, and natural lighting. Is your favorite channel the Discovery Channel? If it is, you could be the star of your own episode. Right outside the gates of Estates of Wekiva Park is this amazing 8-acre park with the Wekiva River Preserve. You have an abundance of natural wildlife surrounding the entire community. If you love the country lifestyle but yet want to be super close to the city, this is the right place for you. Give me a call for more details.